Afternoon guys, hope you're well, same process as ever. Mike's on either side, if you can raise your hand to let me know you'd like to ask a question, we'll come to as many of you as we can. We'll set an embargo towards the end for 10:30 on Saturday evening. Somewhere to start please? Mike?
Afternoon Pep. First of all, Erling Haaland, Premier League Player of the Month, Football Writers Player of the Year. What a great accolade in his first season at Manchester City.
I think it's well deserved.
PEP Guardiola, Manchester City manager here, speaks towards the next match of the England Premier League as Manchester City is going to face Newcastle United in the Premier League. As we all know that Manchester City is just the title contender and he is just the one who is just leading the Premier League table. And of course, he wants to win that match. In fact, here PEP Guardiola says the only way and the only thing that they want from that game is the 3 points, of course, for them to be in a good standing and to win the Premier League this season. It should be quite clear that Manchester City is just one among of the incredible football team in the world. It's one among of the incredible football team in the world. It's a team that has talented players, the team that has young and of course experienced players. And here PEP Guardiola said they just want the Premier League this season, and he is just talking about the situation of the his players after finishing the first leg match of the UEFA Champions League, as he uses to say that most of them are fit and most of them are physically and mentally fit, and they are allowed to play the next match of the Premier League. And of course, PEP Guardiola here has been praising himself and on his expansion and on the gluttonous and the expansionism of the club, as he has many options, he has many starters on his team, as he is just choosing who to play and who to be subbed. And in fact, PEP Guardiola, what he speaks is just something which is just quite clear. We can also see sometimes those who have been starting on the for Manchester City and those who have been under the subs, they have the average and the ratio of capacity. As in fact, Manchester